Okay, I'm back live again. I don't know what happened. Everything went down. I wasn't live. Now I'm live again. Okay. Everything went down. And I wasn't live. Now we're back. Now we're back. Okay, I got you. We up here at 61.8. 86.50. Previous days high, what's that? Prior high. So we at the 82.50 is prior high. We at the top of this channel here. $87. Looks like we're trying to run back up to the breakdown, 87.90. $77. Okay, what is SpaceX doing? Still hasn't came up on my chart yet. It says SpaceX is gonna open. Okay, we're running up. We're trying to get past back up to 87.90. Up into the 90. 82. 87. Where we going? 90. Okay. Let's get better. Okay. We got 4 minutes before the next 15-minute bar comes out. Do I want to short this resistance here? Around 82, 87 really. The high is 88. The open is on the 15-minute bar is 86 quarters. So do I want to short here and see if we may get back to 91? Do I want to try to get a quick short at resistance here, or will it squeeze back? $82 had a nice drop. Do it drop, keep dropping, or do we have a shoulders and form a, well, it could be shoulders, head, inverted shoulders, or a cup and a handle. What's the low on here? 67. Another 15-minute bar just opened up. And we're back into this first pennant that I formed earlier for this low and this. So it came up, then it just dumped earlier. Now 45, dump. Now it's trying to make its way back up. Alright, so I'm gonna take that off so we can see. I drew a channel from here. We came up to this, came down, came up, came down. So I'm looking at, may break out of this channel. All right, 90, we tested the testing the back value area high. The testing value area high. I'm gonna take this 87.
Order submitted. Order fell. Order submitted.
Let's see if we get a push. Should have waited till we got over, because that's the value area high. I'm long into the value area high. Why? The high is 88.25 on here. And we over here. I'm looking at something else. I'm trading a different strategy, which which I'm trading into this high. Need another rotation. I'm not going to take, we up here taking this rotation. I don't know why I took this rotation, knowing that we already up here. Need a rotation to come down and then go back up. So we keep reacting around this 81, 82. In between this area, this 72 and 80. About a 10-point range, 72, 82. I'm seeing that we may want to retest the highs, overnight highs. That's what but it's all timing. Another 15-minute bar opens up in 9 minutes, so we're back into this range. Which way are we going? We still back. We still in this range. This real tight pocket that I drew pre-market. I could make it wider. I'm gonna widen it out. But this is, I'm gonna keep this because this is the original. I could bring it down here and have a, but this is the original break. This is the original break at 60. Well, it dropped way up here, but we came and got these orders over here. Maybe we squeezed those to the downside. We playing both sides. Came and took our orders below here. Well, we didn't go to the top. We didn't get the top. We haven't gone to the top yet. We got 4 minutes, so we could have a shoulders, head, shoulders. Just consolidating, so we'll see where you want to go. Let's see what happened to SpaceX. What happened to SpaceX? What happened to SpaceX? SpaceX still not on the board. I want to see it can. I want to see it another 15-minute opens up in 1 minute 45 seconds. Yo, I can't buy it. No, it's not open yet. It's not even coming up on my Thinkorswim. No, no. It's
But what I'm trying to say is I should be able to put an order in, right? Even though it's not listed, no?
No, the chart not even coming up. It's too late. I mean,
not
it's too
open
close
yet.
to, right, it's not open, so.
That's why I keep canceling?
Yeah, I guess so. You can't put any orders right now.
And then look,
because you gotta wait to see what it's gonna open up at.
Look what happened to freaking Sanders.
What happened?
I didn't get an option.
And what happened to it? It ran
16 and 19. Ran. 9 o'clock this morning. 9:15.
Well, still got the rest of the day.
No, I think it's gonna do a little pullback. Maybe 18. It broke 18, so I don't know if it's gonna hit 2,000 now.
It broke. Okay.
Jeez, it broke the cycle out. It was 18. It was high. Now it's at 19 something. You see it? Oh, you about to something else? Yeah. Anyway, and then my Nvidia paper trade. Option is winning. I should take it. I'll take a shower. I gotta get a rental car. I'm gonna ride up to DMX's name sign. I don't know if I'm gonna go.
What time?
I'll leave out here by like 11.
All right.
It's at 2:30.
Okay. Okay. 50-minute opened up right back in this range, so. So this looks like the move. Maybe it's got to get past. Still in this range. I don't know if it's gonna crack down or break out of this range. This 90. Do we want to test back to 7,500 and win? We had a nice dump, so we should get some more squeeze. Can we get, not should, but can we get more squeeze to the upside? Or do we roll over back out of here? Just consolidating in here inside this earlier. Go here, we can go, let's go here, because this is the top, so kind of like in here, 770 to 790, 20-point range we in. Okay, so that's the range. I like the way this look for the upside, but we up near the high value node, high value area. And so if we can get out of here, but it look like they're trying to they're rejecting this top area. Let's see. Okay, we came down. We can stay up and show some strength, possibly, or roll back over. But right now, I'm just sitting on my hands because it's just not going either direction. Over and under 200, we back at power point of control. Then we got VWAP here at 68.75. So now we gotta wait for the next 15-minute bar, unless this one breaks 72 or 7. Just chop, just chop, just chop. Rejection, rejection, rejection. But we're getting rejected, but we're closing higher. So this closed higher. This closed at 72.25. This closed at 75.50. Now this may close higher, a little bit higher. And we can have a slow grind up and or just stay in this area. We can get another 30 minutes in here. If it doesn't move, we could just be in here all day. Between point of control and let's see, it looks like it. Is it ready to move? Gotta watch when that next bar opens up, because it'll move just because the next bar about to open up. And you think that, boom, that's the move when you're trying to catch the momentum. Next bar opens up. I get caught like that a lot, that I'm not paying attention. That it's not making a move because it's going to move, but because the algorithms or whoever got the system set up, they make certain moves to the upside or downside based on the next bar where wants to open up at, where they want it to open up, however they do the calculations. But what's going on, what's happening, these wild moves, these wild moves, it's just these wild moves. SpaceX hasn't opened up yet. Just be careful trading, getting into these positions. Look at this. Pop, wick, close, pop, wick. The only thing I could say is it closed higher, higher close, higher close. So it's a slow grind up with some whip in it. we're back over, but we're holding up here, but it's not really having momentum. You're getting rejections up here. Another 15-minute bar fit in 3 minutes 30 seconds.
What? Yeah. Come here.
Now this is gonna make a move. Now let's see. See how it's making a move? 2 minutes to go on a 15-minute bar. The whole 15 minutes didn't make too much. Right before the next bar opens up, it starts making a move. Now some people may get short and say, okay, boom, this is a short, we're gonna go. And it may go, but then the next 15-minute bar opens up. So two things can happen. This can make the move before the 15-minute bar opens up. Which is making a move before the 15-minute bar opens up. Yeah. Mr. Trade explaining, because my trade was at 70 and a quarter to break, and we're back in this trend in this channel. $15-minute bar opens up and but it's making it stretched. There we go. Now the low on here is what? Right, do it go down or do it bounce back up? Low is 57. The low is 57, bounce right back up. Look like it's gonna come down. Look like it may shake and bake right here. Is it shaking and baking? Who is it trying to shake and bake?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
If it breaks,
Order submitted.
if it breaks, I needed to break. I needed to break. And then my target is 40 quarter. My target is 40 quarter. 15, 40 quarter. That's where it's supposed to be. So let's see something. Here, 40 quarter is my target. Let's go. I was supposed to be at break even already, and I didn't move it to break even. Let me see. Low 50, 75. It went to 50, 75. Come on. Let's go. We wicking around here. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Come on. Come on, let's break down. Let's break down. I don't want it too close. Let's break down. Come on, let's break down 40 quarter. Holding on. Holding on. Holding on. We got this blue line here that's holding. Ah, it's gonna get me out. It's gonna get me out. This high is what? 49. Is it going? Is it going? Is it holding? You know what? I don't like the way this is playing out. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? Okay, I'm gonna. This is like crazy right here. Is it gonna drop or is it gonna go up? Man, this is wild.
Order submitted.
We fought around. We fought. That was a fight right there. Just to. That was a fight. For what? And we back down here. And we're back. And we're back. Look at that. Look at this market, man. This market is ridiculous. The market's ridiculous. Did SpaceX open? No. Market is ridiculous. Look at this. Let's see what news came out. Let me see what came out. Anything? Nothing that I have right now. Nothing red. Nope. Nothing red that came out. No news, just next 3-minute bar opens up. Then where's that? Where does that go? Okay. This was the pushes. Okay. Is this where the push is? I'm trying to break out of here. This is where we had to do the breakout. All right, 75. Now this how we take this how we breaks. This how we this how we trade the we got a couple of minutes for the next 15-minute bar. Do we come back into this value area? Do we come back into the value area, or do we stay above the value area and break that 7,500? They need to run 4 points from 7,500. And there that 15-minute bar. Don't want to long up here. Let's see what happens, how it reacts to these levels. I don't want to long up here. Definitely don't. I don't want to long up here. Even though we may get a squeeze out, just not my trade. Triple top. 1075. This 13. Oh 06. 06 is a test point. If we can get past 06, Over and under 7,500. Over and under 7,500. Just want to see where that goes. Okay. I'm breaking to the upside a little bit. 06. We're gonna get past this 06 here. Then we got this open was 850. I don't know what just happened here, but if this hangs here and then turns around and breaks out, that's definitely strength if this doesn't roll over. Like the next bar opens up and starts to push up. But it's showing consolidation, not really weakness, because it's holding up over 7,500. Target is R 75.30. Don't know if we're gonna get there today. We might have a triple top up here. Just have 1350. There's really no pattern. We came down. We got squeeze here. I don't know if we can get another squeeze. If anybody's still holding from down here. Okay. If it holds up and one of these bars just happens to break above 6, break above 6 up to 10. Try to get to 20. Gotta get past 13, gotta get past 25. These lines is from earlier. So I just drew this. So say we stay here all day and then break out or break down. It's rolling. It looks like it wants to roll. It looks like it wants to roll. But with this price action and it's popping, Delta is selling off, but the price is staying above 7,500. Delta, so sellers are stepping in, but they're being absorbed because price is still holding. It's still holding up. There go to 6, 7. I said one of these bars start to break up. Okay, 6. Is the 6 going to hold? It came back to test the 6, 6, 6, 6. Is the 6 going to hold? That 6 is where opening the close of the, on the over here, right here, the 6. This open is 6 and right around here. So this opened at 5/4 and closed at 6. So 5/4, 6 is like that area. Still making minor lower highs. Still making these minor lower highs. I'm gonna put a line out of red. I don't want to hold. Little. Still holding. Kind of just in this little box here. Oh, there it is. I'm looking at something else. Wasn't even paying attention, but there it is. That's one of these. That shows some strength to the upside. Broke over that 6. Over 10.
Order submitted.
I don't want to. I wanted to be in one. I wanted to be in one. And then add at the break. But I would be. I don't know if I wanted on a pullback. Because now we at the top. We're gonna test it. But we didn't test the high yet. 1375. .15-minute bar opened up. 1375. Did we make EY? 1350. So we did break the high by a tick. So we swept the high by a tick. We swept the high by a tick and pulled back in. We swept the highs by one tick. You see right here, but got 3, 5, 6. Still pushing. Done forgot about SpaceX. Okay, we out of here. Broke out this range, back into it to 13. Let's see, we hold over it. Trying to hold that 15. Trying to hold 15. Okay, we back below the 13, but it's high right here, 1350 for a second. Yeah, I'm not buying up here. Got a target, but got a target of 30. Price struggling with this 15, 18. Let's see. Holding 15. Okay, make it do high. See, I made that move right before the 3-minute bar opened up. That could be the 1-2 punch. I do like this 20 to 30 to try to get to the end of the and they stacking up here. To 20 to 30. We got some resistance at 25. Got some resistance here at 25. You're trying to stuff 23. Trying to bring it back down. 23 to 25. To a break 20. It's 21. There's some buyers, sellers coming here trying to sell 22, 23s. They're trying to sell 22, 23s. That 23. They're trying to sell at 23. I don't know why they're trying to sell 23s, but they're trying to sell 23s. 22s, 23. They're trying to sell 22s, 23s. If we get past that 23, frightened. They frightened to get past that 23. Just frightening here. Who's gonna win? They frightened at that 20, 20 that 20, 23, 22, 23. That seller was not giving up. Was not giving up. Seller as 23s was not giving up. And we back to him. He won that first round. He won that first round. 23 quarter, we had 202 sells and 3 buys. She's going to dump. Had another. At the 9, 13. 1350 is that top. Well, 1350 is here. When if we come back and come down into just do the same thing all over again, break into, come back into value area low, I mean high, and just starts coming down again. Let's look at that price jump. Volume, volatility. Volatility. 475 just popped up into 1875. It's ridiculous. So this is what I'm gonna do. That little that little spike there, I'm gonna put a box around here. I'm gonna put a box around this little spike here. I'm gonna miss something, but this I can miss it. I'm not trying to be. Let me see. Template. I just do the template. And I'll bring it out a little bit. I'll bring it out a little bit to like tomorrow. Okay. We come back in. We go over and under 7,500. $475 is that low. Got 20 moving average. You can bounce off of, but I like the short because now we got another rotation. We can come down, but I don't want to get spiked out. So that's okay. There we go. Another 3-minute bar opened up. The low is on 96.25. Target would be 87.25. Do we come back out of the value area high, or do we stay in? Looking for a pullback. SpaceX, did it open up? I don't think SpaceX even opened up. SpaceX, did SpaceX open up? I don't even think it did. I'm tempted to take a long here.
Orders submitted.
Tempted to take a long to try to get a push up, pop up real quick. Tempted to. This, it ain't moving though. I wanted a faster move. I wanted a faster move. Okay. Over break even. Come on, give me the 4 points. Can I get 4 points? 25. Come on, just 4 points. That's all I need is just 4 right now.
Target held.
Okay. So this is this is where the initial balance was at the high initial balance high, but I just wanted to get something on the board. I'm good for the day. I'm not taking any more trades, and it's Friday. I'll come back. Small loss. Come back tomorrow. I'm not trying to play this. I'm about to get out of here. So that's it. Small loss. Come back another day. Monday. Be back Monday.